Have you ever pondered the origins of the lustrous yellow metal that has captivated the hearts and minds of civilizations throughout the ages? Yes, we're talking about gold. The allure of its shine has written countless tales of ambition, power, and wealth. But where did it all begin? The story of gold starts as far back as the 4th millennium BC. In the ancient riverbeds of the Balkans, gold was first discovered. Unrefined and untouched, this precious metal sparkled just as brightly then as it does today, catching the eye of our earliest ancestors. Fast forward to ancient Egypt, the civilization that truly understood the potential of gold. The pharaohs and their kin were often buried with copious amounts of gold, a testament to their belief in the metal's divine properties. Gold, to the Egyptians, was not just a symbol of wealth but also a ticket to eternal life. As centuries rolled on, the Greeks and Romans continued the obsession with gold. They developed new methods of mining and refining the precious metal, pushing the boundaries of their technological prowess. Gold coins became a standard form of currency, revolutionizing trade and commerce. The Middle Ages saw gold play a significant role in the economy and political landscape. Kingdoms rose and fell, their fates often tied to the richness of their gold reserves. In a world where might equaled right, gold was power. The discovery of the New World in the late 15th century sparked a global gold rush. Adventurers, explorers, and conquerors set sail across the vast oceans, lured by the promise of gold-filled lands. This period, aptly named the Age of Exploration, reshaped the world as we know it. In the 19th century, the Californian and Australian gold rushes marked another significant chapter in the history of gold. Thousands flocked to these regions, dreaming of striking it rich. Cities sprouted up almost overnight, forever altering the landscapes and populations of these areas. Now, in the 21st century, gold continues to hold sway over us. Its value is universally recognized, making it a safe haven for investors during times of economic uncertainty. From electronics to medicine to space exploration, gold's unique properties make it indispensable in numerous fields. To recap, we began our journey with the discovery of gold in the Balkans, moved on to its divine status in ancient Egypt, and witnessed its evolution into a standard currency in Greece and Rome. We observed the pivotal role of gold in the Middle Ages, the global gold rush sparked by the discovery of the New World, and the transformative effects of the Californian and Australian gold rushes. Finally, we acknowledge the enduring relevance of gold in our modern world. The tale of gold, as we've seen, is not just a story about a precious metal. It's a narrative of human ambition, ingenuity, and desire. It's a testament to our ceaseless quest for wealth, power, and immortality. And as long as these aspects of human nature persist, the story of gold will continue to unfold.